you need to uninstall your Cloudbot or your OpenClaw, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that in the next 2 minutes. It's extremely simple and straightforward. So if you're having security issues, if you're worried about it, you want to get it off your laptop, whatever it is, it's extremely easy to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to open up a terminal window. Now, I literally just installed this for another video showing people how to get started. So we're going to uninstall this right here. So we are literally just going to stop the gateway. That is the first thing. We need to get it to stop running. We're going to hit enter right there. And you can see that it is stopping it. So let's make sure it did. Stop the launch agent. There you go. Perfect. Next step, we're going to copy this command. Now, if you want access to this document, join our Skool community. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's completely free. It has all the documents in there, or you can just read it off the screen and type these in. It's totally up to you. So let's go ahead and pop this command in there. OpenClaw Gateway uninstall. That's going to install the gateway. Then we want to uninstall the npm package. So open this up. Again, we're just going to paste this in there. That is going to take a moment to uninstall it. And you can see it removed 696 packages. So we're all set there. Next up, we want to delete all OpenClaw data. So we are going to open these right here and run this shell command, paste that in there, hit enter. And actually, I think we need to do these one at a time. I just realized I copied all those. So go ahead and enter, boom, and then just paste these in there. Extremely quick and simple. And there we go. Perfect. Next up, now revoking your API key is going to be one of the most important things. So if you're on Anthropic, OpenRouter, OpenAI, there's links in this document to each of those and how to uninstall those. But the next thing, we just want to make sure that we verify that it is all gone. So I'm going to grab this command right here, come back over to this, paste this in there. And OpenClaw not found. That easy, guys. It's completely uninstalled. You're good to go. Just make sure you also get rid of your API key that you were using for this, and you're all set. So again, if this video is helpful, check out the other videos on our channel. Leave a comment. Let me know why you're uninstalling OpenClaw or what might have happened. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Cheers.